Hello Otogang. Kaka-out lang natin dito sa CNX. And for today guys is we have a year-end party to attend. Ayun, papauwi na ako. And bibihis. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. So it's a long day at work guys. And I'm so very exhausted. Pero aatin pa rin tayo dun sa year-end party ang account namin guys. So on the way na tayo, papauwi kasi magbibihis pa tayo guys. And you know, it's not easy para makauwi tayo kasi ganitong oras guys, napaka-traffic talaga. Dito pa tayo sa Mactan Newtown guys. Malapit na tayo sa bahay natin. So magbihis lang tayo real quick. Alright, what's up? What's up? So ito na yung this is our outfit for today guys. Let's go. Balik na tayo dun sa Mactan Newtown. Waiter, Arwes.
Shoutout sa kumama sa Heaven.
Ano masasabi mo sa Yep?
Ang Yep ay hindi kumpleto kung wala yung vlogger, Tamoto.
Ano masasabi mo sa Yep, Jenny?
It was fun. It was a fun experience.
Ano masasabi mo sa Yep?
Masaya po. It was fantastic. I only have one word for it. Amazing.
Ba't nag-live sa GC?
For security purposes. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me. Hi Kuya. Passing this camera to Kuya. How are you doing?
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi guys.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
What's your tag for tonight?
Wala lang, watch her lang.
2. I'm sorry, what's your tag?
Till Miley Cyrus.
Miley Cyrus. Hi, can I do a quick interview?
Yes,
What's your name?
Secret.
Secret tayo, ha? What's your tag for tonight? Hi, madam. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi, my name is Maiden.
Where are you from? What's your tag for
I
tonight?
am from Ohio.
What's tag for tonight?
My plan for tonight is to go wild. To go wild.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Welcome to
Vlog takeover daw. Hi, this is Rain. Hello! Necklace is from Shein. Another necklace is from Shopee. Top and dress cord from Shein. Bag is from Shein. What's your name?
Ace po.
How's the wedding? How How's the wedding?
Kasal ba to, girl?
Yo, what's up? So, vlog takeover. We're here. Time check. It's 9:16 p.m. and the crowd is not crowding. Tapos na po kami. So, vlog takeover. Hot dog.
Hi.
Gawin na.
Alright, what's up mga sir? So, that's it. We are going home. Pala yung venue guys. Yan. Si Boss Curve, gumagawa ng reels. Gumagawa ng reels guys.
And the Jollibee.
Pang shorts ba?
And the Jollibee.
Ba't nakapasok dito ang tambay guys? Hindi ko alam. Alright, so yun na guys. The end of the year-end party.